Good morning. I am Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. All of you open your books. Turn page number 76. In the previous class, I gave you this assignment that you have to do this one. Page number 76 and 77. Today, we will discuss this one. All of you be ready. Let's start. A. Fill in the blanks. Bananas are usually cultivated in the states like dash and dash. What is the answer? Answer is Karnataka and Maharashtra. All of you write down here Karnataka and Maharashtra. And in the another blank write down Maharashtra. All of you have done? These are the names of states. So first letter should be in capital letter. Then second one, dash tree is also called the tree of life. What is the answer of this one? Answer is baobab tree. Write down here baobab. Third one, plants dash towards the sunlight. Plants bends towards the sunlight. Next, dogs, lions and cats have padded feet called. Answer is paws. In the fourth one, write down paws. Fifth, macaques and parakeets eat fruits. In the fifth, write down fruits. All of you have done? All of you do this exercise in the book. After that, we will do the question answer. B. Answer these questions. Now see, first question is, how do living things breathe? Give examples. Answer. Human beings and many animals breathe through their nose. Fishes breathe through their gills. Plants breathe through a small openings in their leaves called stomata. Second question, how do leaves change color? Answer, leaves get their green color from chlorophyll. Leaves change their color with seasons. During spring, they remain fresh and green, while during autumn, they turn dry and their colors fade into brown or yellow. Third question is, why is shading of leaves important? Shading of leaves, falling down of leaves is important because these leaves can be used to make compost. And this substance makes the soil fertile. Compost makes the soil fertile. Question number 4. How do animals use their tails? The tails of animals serve special purpose. Monkeys use their tails to balance their body. Birds and fish use their tails to move in a particular direction. Dogs show their affection by wagging their tails. Cats show their anger by raising their tails. Question number 5. Name the insects that can fly and that cannot. You have to write down the examples of the insects that can fly or that cannot fly. Some insects can fly, for example, dragonflies, butterflies, moths and mosquitoes. Such type of insects can fly. Some insects cannot fly, for example, ants and caterpillars. Now, all of you have to write down the answer of these questions in your notebooks. First, write down question, then write down answer. All of you complete this one in your notebooks. Now, all of you turn page number 77, test paper 1, B. All of you look in your books. B, answer these questions. Page number 77. First question is, explain the role of any two sense organs of the human body. The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and touch or feel. The 5 sense organs are the eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Eyes help us to see everything in our surrounding. Ears help us to listen to various sounds in our surrounding. All of you know about the functions of the sense organs. Second, define community. Describe any two parts of the community. A group of people living together in a particular area is called a community. Park is a part of the community. It is a space where people play, read and relax. Community center is a part of the community. It provides space to celebrate different occasions, right? Then third, write a short note on air transport. All of you know about the air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of movement from one place to the another. It's very useful for long distances and saves times. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the major air means of transport. The Wright brothers were among the first to successfully ride an aeroplane in 1903. With the help of aeroplanes, we can travel to different countries around the world. Whenever we have to cover the long distance, we take the help of the aeroplanes. We take the help of the air transport. Fourth question. Describe the features of the baobab tree and redwood tree. The baobab tree is also called the tree of life as it provides food, water and shelter to animals and human beings. It can store approximately 1 lakh liters of water. The redwood tree is the tallest tree in the world. It usually grows up to a height of 360 feet or more. We have done this one. You have to also write down the answer of these questions in the notebook. Link of this one is given in the description box. You can check out from there and write down answer in your notebooks properly. Your writing should be neat and clean. And here there is one activity, project activity. All of you look page number 76. You have to do this one in your notebooks. Collect the pictures of underwater plants and animals. Paste them in a scrapbook. You have to collect the pictures of underwater plants and animals and paste them in your notebooks. Now, all of you turn page number 77. We will do A, fill in the blanks. Test paper 1. First question is, dash is the process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn. Answer is spinning. Write down here spinning. All of it do in your books. Second one, dash food can be easily digested, cooked. And first letter of the sentence should be capital. Third one, plants dash and other chemicals should be used to keep germs and pests away. Answer is disinfectants. Write down here. Disinfectants. Question number 4. Number 4. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Write down here, wings. Now all of you have done. Now see, write true or false. We will do this one. The chest and abdomen are located in the upper part of our body. Yes. Answer is true. Next, sari is a stitched garment. No, false. Sari is an unstitched garment. Write down here, false. Down feathers do not protect the body of a bird from rain, cold and heat. This one is true statement. So write down here, true. Body feathers protect birds from rain, cold and heat. Down feathers keep the birds warm. Down feathers protect the birds from cold. Next one, mosquitoes breed in stagnant and dirty water. Yes, the statement is right. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant and dirty water. So write down here, true. All of you have done this one. Now we have done assessment 2 and test paper 1. All of you have do this one. Now it's time to wrap up the session. Thank you. Have a good one.